Hi, my name is Brian Caffo. I'm a professor in biostatistics. So I came here in 2001, so that's 25 years now. When I interviewed here, this place just does it gives the best interview, and so when I came in and interviewed here, it just really felt like home. So at the time, Rafael Irizarry was here, and Francesca was also here, and they went out to dinner at Rafa's house, and it gave off a totally different vibe from every other department, and I loved it, and been here ever since. I work on a couple of things, but broadly speaking, my biggest personal interest is in statistics as it applies to the field of neuroscience. So I work on that from a variety of levels. There's all these different ways that you can measure a human brain or even human brain cells. And so we do it from the capacity of looking at images and functional brain images. We can do it from the capacity of asking people questions, of other kinds of measurements, and we can do it from recently from these pluripotent stem cells, where we take a person's skin cells and differentiate them and kind of reverse engineer them into these pluripotent stem cells, and then differentiate them into neurons. And we study those neurons in a variety of ways. We can study their genomics and their functioning as well. I'm particularly interested in the brain and neurons and clusters of neurons as they function. So I'm mostly interested in brain function. And all of these different measurement types bring with them unique statistical challenges, and that's what I like to focus on. So I teach a couple classes in the department, both for kind of geared towards our master students and then our PhD students separately, two separate sets of classes on data science. I have an educational administrative role where I am the director of academic programs and education for this AI Institute, for the Data Science and AI Institute. So from that, I help coordinate AI programs around the university. I help coordinate other data science programs around the university. We try and help enable educational efforts. We help people with curricula. We help people develop programs. We try and connect people, to get things through the Maryland Higher Education Committee. So we do a lot of enabling, I guess would be and then we run this program for congressional staffers, where we try and educate congressional staffers. We'd love and are hoping to do something like that for Maryland State Senate staffers. We're in the center of the health universe, so health research universe, and so it's great to be in the kind of thick of things like that. Well, I like being surrounded by a lot of smart people. I really take advantage of Hopkins in that I collaborate a lot with people in the department. I collaborate a lot with people in the School of Public Health and the School of Medicine and Kennedy Krieger. And then I also kind of really take advantage of going over to the engineering school and the arts and sciences school and collaborating with people over there. And I'm heavily involved in the new Data Science and AI Institute. Also, Hopkins, by virtue of being adjacent to DC, has some nice opportunities to get involved and work with the ways in which a university can sort of interdigitate with the federal government. We run a program every summer where we educate congressional staffers on artificial intelligence. So that's also nice about Hopkins. And the number one thing about Hopkins that I like is just that there's a lot of very smart people here, and it's nice to collaborate. And it's easy to find people who are nice and good and effective and very productive, but also very deep and very ethical, and all the good things ways you could describe a researcher. There's lots of people like that around here, so it's great to find even if not collaborators, but also fellow kindred spirits.